Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix Forms. If you have a service website, you can add the services inquiry field onto your form. This lets you connect every lead directly onto a specific service when they'll fill out your form. So, if this is something you need on your site, here's how to do it. On the Wix editor, go to the form you want to add a service inquiry to, click on it, and click on Edit Form. However, you can create a new form from scratch as well. To create a new form from scratch, go to the plus button, go to Contact and Forms. You can select a pre-made form or you can create a new one. Here, start building your form by adding a header as well as adding the fields you need to add on your form. And to manage each field, click on it and click on Field Settings, and this panel on the right will appear. Configure the settings of your field according to your needs and preferences. Now, don't forget to add your service field. It's on the Appointments and Services section. Here you can add an appointment, a service picker, or a multi-service picker. This would all depend on you. So for your service picker, it'll let potential clients request details about a service you offer. And for multi-service picker, it'll allow potential clients to request info about multiple services. So feel free to select an option. And if you want to give your site visitors an option to book a meeting, call, or appointment, make sure to also add an appointment field. And as you can see, they'll be able to choose a date and time through this field. Make sure to also configure the settings of this field here on the right according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done working on your form, go to the Preview tab to see how it's going to look like to your visitors. Here you can test it out and interact with it just like your live visitors would. And most importantly, go to the Settings tab and don't forget to rename your form to easily identify it on your dashboard later on. Apart from renaming it, make sure that you also set up its confirmation message, spam filter, and form status, where you can set an expiration date and limit the submissions for this form. Once you're good to go, click on Save to save your form. You're also going to need to click on Save on the Wix editor so that your progress will be saved. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again in order to publish the changes you've made to your live site as well. That's all for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful somehow. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.